Hi, welcome to the Promptus image generation competition. So once you're on our website, head over to Launch App and it'll take you to our web application. Once you're in there, you'll be immediately brought to the playground. If you've already used Promptus before, some of your images may load, as you can see mine. But if you haven't already, please create a Promptus account by clicking on Register here. So you can either sign up with Google or you can use your own email, whichever one you're more comfortable with. Once you've done that, you can log in here on the web app. You'll confirm, and then you can head back to the playground. This is where we're going to be doing our image generation for today. So remember that our theme for today is going to be what if university students took over the Burj Khalifa for the day. So be as creative as you want. Think of any kind of prompt. Maybe I'll think about a water slide around the Burj Khalifa. I can enhance my prompt. Maybe I don't think I did a good job. I can enhance it if I like. So we have tons of models for you to choose from. Some of my favorites are Flux, which is what I'm going to be using today. But there's also another one called Albedo that I've heard good things about. You can generate as many images as you like. I usually start with 4, because that gives me quite a few options. Set a tag for yourself. For me, I just called it Burj. And you can categorize. So you'll see the images generating here. And once they're done, you'll have quite a few options to choose from. And you can always generate some more. So like I said, tons of models. This one is Albedo. This is a really good one as well. So this little grid here, when you click on it, you can add it to your collection. And if you like, you can also save the image, right, as a PNG. You can see I already tried some earlier. So if I head over to my collection, I'll be able to see all the images that I've generated and also saved there. So I'm going to add that one to my collection. I think this one is pretty good. So once you've found the image that you like, head back over to our website, the AI Week page, scroll down until you see the submission point button. Once you're there, it'll open up to a Google form where you'll be able to upload your image, give us your details, and then of course, the judging can begin from there. Make sure that you confirm that you've been using Promptus for all of this. That's what we want you to try out. And if you've noticed anything along the way, feel free to leave us with some feedback. Also, please be sure to put your prompt in the form as well. We want to be able to see how you might have generated the image and also just what was your thought process. Yeah, like I said, any feedback that you have, we'd love to hear it. Then you can go ahead and submit, and you're done. See you at the next event.